in Galveston even will be feeling the effects of the storm.
Even though we won't see much rain, they'll likely feel strong winds, and then there's the threat for dangerous rip currents. Our Cathy Hernadez is on the island with what we need to know. Good morning.
Good morning if you're headed here to Galveston this weekend, and it looks like a normal beach day just like this morning. Pretty incredible out here. The warning from Beach Patrol, though, be aware of strong winds and dangerous rip currents starting tomorrow. Tiffany Williams and her daughter Olivia enjoying the water, sun, and sand. But this weekend, while we won't see much rain, Galveston Beach Patrol Chief Peter Davis is watching closely for strong winds and rip currents.
So we're still prepared for sort of a worst-case scenario here, which would involve taking equipment off the beach and high tides.
In strong winds, crews would have to remove the more than 1,000 trash cans and 32 lifeguard stands from the beaches.
We remove floats, anything inflatable, we keep on shore as best we can.
He says pay attention to the flag system they have posted on all lifeguard stands. The colors green, yellow, and red. Red when it's especially unsafe for swimmers. The chief also says be aware of dangerous rip currents that pull you away from shore quickly.
They try to swim against that current towards shore, panic, choke on water, and then they go under because of that.
Beach Patrol suggests if you do get in the water, swim near a lifeguard. All of them will be manned daily. And if you get caught, stay calm and don't fight it. Instead, swim out of the current, then swim to shore. If you can't escape it, float or tread water.
If you ever see anybody in a rip current, you don't want to go in after them.
Instead, immediately call for help and step into action using one of the 20 rescue boxes along the seawall.
So we have a rescue box, which is basically a floating ring buoy with a rope attached to it and a throw bag. Grab that, throw it to them, and pull them back on the rocks.
And Britta tells us the water will be blue this weekend. You know, we've seen it in recent times. So while it will look very inviting, the danger is down below again with those strong winds and dangerous rip currents. A lot of advice. We'll post it on our website, click2houston.com. Reporting live in Galveston, Cathy Hernadez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.